What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, I just went through all those DVDs right there and take a look at the cart. Holy moly, we just hit the jackpot. Almost every single one of these is sealed. Not all of them, there's some used ones in here, but at $2 each, yeah, we pulled out a lot. And I just turned the corner and take a look up here. We have some box sets, book box sets. Here's Harry Potter for $25. That might be worth it. There's a whole bunch of Cat in the Hat. There's a few ones to keep an eye out for. Put Me in the Zoo. Is that one of them maybe? I don't know. There's a few. I don't think it's that one. There's a few that you could keep an eye out for that are worth some pretty good money. We'll take a look through those a little closer. There's a lot of them. Holy cow. But we do have some really cool box sets up here we have to look up. Alright, so I just went through all the Dr. Seuss books and we found one. Sweet. And to think that I saw it on Mulberry Street, it's $4, but yellow is 25% off today, so it's only $3. That's phenomenal. Here it is. It's dropped a bit in price, but it still sells well for almost $20. So you'd make $11, but if we take a closer look, you can see one person selling it acceptable. This is in like new condition. I'd probably sell it as very good and probably get closer to $23 to $30 for it. So that's pretty incredible. Also, on the very top up here, there were some DVDs hidden. Somebody just threw up there, and I found one that was worth it to add to my crazy stack. $1.99. We'll scan it in. White is not on sale today, but that's okay. $2 is a great price. I opened up my Amazon seller app. We're gonna hit the scan icon and let's scan her in and let's see what happens. There it is. Selling pretty darn quick for about $20. So I'd make 12 minus my 2, $10 more. A bunch of these DVDs are going for $10, $15, $20 profits. So we're looking great. I love it. Let's go check out more of the store and see what we can find. I like finding Disney snow globes. This one's $10 though. Kind of expensive. Oh, it's also broken. There's a piece broken off inside there, so I don't like that. We'll leave this one behind. But Disney snow globes do pretty good. Those in like the city snow globes, I'll pop some up on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. They'll be like New York or Boston or any place like that, and they play music, and they're usually worth some pretty good money. I used to sell them all the time, but I haven't found one in a while. Alright, we're making our way back to the toys and the games. Oh, what do I see up here? Vinylizer. Is that supposed to be... I thought it was supposed to be like DJ... I can't remember his name. Pauly D? I don't know, from Jersey Shore. Doesn't it kind of look like him a little bit? He's got the spiked hair and... I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. Here's another one. DJ Scribbles Spinheads. I've never seen these. These must be just... after or just before when I was a kid buying stuff. What year is this? 2003, so I would have been 10. This would have been directed right towards somebody probably a little bit older than me. It's still kind of wild. Okay, maybe they have value. All right, taking a look at the baggies over here, I found some Pokemon things. I thought they were going to be filled with cards, but they're not. At $7.99 and they're all empty. That's expensive and that's a shame. We'll leave that. Here's some Pezzes. You know, I was trying to learn about Pezzes. $2.99 I think is not good because you want to look for Pezzes that have no toes. I think they're just rounded or squared off, and those are the old ones that have some value. Let's see what else we could find in the little baggies. Anything? I don't think so. Nothing I see. A bunch of just little mishmash of toys. Here's some more Pezzes, but again, these are all newer things, so we'll leave those and go look at more of the toys. The toy section is looking pretty busy, so hopefully we can find some stuff. Ooh, Pikachu. I see Pikachu. This is kind of cool. I see Simpsons Monopoly right here for $6. It's not bad. Alright guys, I went through pretty much all the toys over here, and there's a whole bunch of cool things here. We have a few things in the cart. I got that Monopoly Simpsons. I haven't looked it up yet. I don't know if I'm going to get it because I don't know if I want to count pieces, unless it's worth a lot. Maybe. We found this Rick and Morty puzzle. The rank is really high. It's $6, but I think it's priced at over 70. So since it's priced over 70, I think that's why the rank is so high. So maybe I could get 30, 40 for it, maybe even 25. I don't know. So we'll take that. And then this, I'm restricted on Prismacolor Premier. It's only $2. I'll pop the price up so you guys can see. It's like a $30 colored pencil set. But I think Ashley would like this, so I'm going to bring it to her. She's around here somewhere. And then I saw this brand new Archer game. I haven't looked it up yet. It's $1.99. I'll pop the price up here. I have no idea. You guys will see before I see if it's worth something. So that's all I really found. I did find a few more things, but the prices are just a little high. This Azul game's really cool at $10. It's a really good price, brand new, but I am restricted on it. It sells for about $30, $35, so I can't sell it on Amazon because of how big and heavy it is, and the $10 wouldn't really be worth it for eBay, so we have to leave it. And besides that, there's really not too much here. I was kind of on the fence of this Yahtzee. It's only $2. It sells for about 20 or so on Amazon, but I don't know. I don't really need it, so I'm going to leave it behind, but there is some profit in it. But that's okay. I'm super happy about the DVDs, so that's why I'm being a little more picky right now. Alright guys, check this out. I saw this little SpongeBob guy, and then look at the Mr. Krabs behind him. He looks so janky. He has a little hanging thing, so you can hang him from your car or something. I doubt he's worth anything. They're $2.99, but why is his nose like a big brown nose like that? Does he have a big brown nose? I really don't think Mr. Krabs has that, but we're leaving those behind. I did find a couple more board games here. This one, nobody's selling it on Amazon, so I just grabbed it because I didn't even look at the price. Oh, $8. Yeah, it's brand new sealed, so that's great. And I think I found something else. Oh yeah, this little guy down here. This Think Fun game. I always look for the brand Think Fun, especially sealed. They sell super fast, usually around the $20 mark. And at $2, yeah, it sells for, I think I'm gonna make 6 after fees. It's 8, but minus my $2, so I make $6. It's super easy. I did look up that Archer. He's selling for a lot, but the rank is super high. I think I just have to lower the price and it'll sell. Not bad. And yeah, the Monopoly was good, so happy about all that. We're gonna keep looking around. There's a lot of stuff to look through. I think let's go check out the electronics maybe. There's a lot of people over there, so I don't know. Maybe we'll just dig around some. What's down here? Let's see if there's anything sealed down here. I bet there is. What do we got down here? Oh, is this another one of those? Yeah, more of those DJ guys, the Scribbles spin heads. I don't know. I have no idea what these are. They're everywhere though. DJ Scribbles spin heads. And then here's some My Little Ponies. Oh, that one looks old. I don't know. No price though, so we'll leave it behind. What else do we have in here? A little sassy ring stacker? No. What is this? Oh, that's kind of cool. Spider-Man 3 dead stock kind of 7-piece calculator set for school. It's cute. And a big dinosaur mask. I don't know. Some weird stuff in here. Dave and Buster's toy. Okay. Oh, this could be good. Brand new 20-minute game break Scrabble for $4. Yeah, we're going to scan this in. All right, we have the Amazon app pulled up. We're going to scan it in. And what do we got? Ooh, again, the rank is pretty high. Over 700,000. It's priced at $29. You'd make 19. The rank is pretty high, but I know it will sell. The only issue is this box is super bent. I mean, it's still new, but I think I'm going to leave it behind because the box is a little messed up, little packaging wear. That's okay. Oh, are those Spider-Man walkie-talkies? Oh, they are. Those are cool. I'm not getting them, though. All right, keep looking. I wish I knew more about dolls and toys. This thing, what is this? Like a Monster High, maybe? She has wings? I don't know. I know very little about dolls. I sold a lot of Barbies at one point, and I mean, these are all priced $199, and some of them are 25% off. I don't think there's anything 50% off or more, but like, look at this one with the pink hair. I don't even know if that's a Barbie, to be honest. But at $199, I feel like you could definitely make some money here putting them on eBay. These are always here at $199, especially these Disney ones. I don't know. Here's Ariel. At least I know who she is. Or that might not even be her. I know that is back there. What do you guys think? What would you guys do at $199 each? Here's Snow White. I'm gonna have to at least look her up, right? So I used Google Lens to scan in some of the Barbies and dolls right here, and this little Ariel right here for 99 cents normally comes in a 3-pack, but they sell for, that one sold for 19 plus 6 shipping, 15 right there, brand new for 45. So she sells, but I only see one. I don't see the other two here, but yeah, you could use Google Lens to look up a whole bunch of these, and it works really, really well. You know what? Let me show you guys how it works. So I'll use the Google Lens app, and it'll take a picture of what you want. And let's see if it pulls her up. So we'll crop it so you can see the full doll. And let's see what comes up. Whoops. All right, here she is. No, that's not her. See, now here's the issue. Could be wearing a different dress than what she normally came with, so that could make it a little difficult. It could just be this Barbie curvy doll right here. 13 bucks, you see. Actually, I think that's exactly it. Wearing a different outfit though, but I'm pretty sure that face matches pretty close. 13 bucks, so yeah. Pretty interesting how that works. It works really fast. She's $3, so it's a good way to look up dolls and toys you know nothing about. All right, just past the dolls, I spotted something out the corner of my eye. Do you guys see it? In the mishmash of all of this. Now, there might be a few things here worth something that I don't know about, but one thing I do know about are these little Simon games down here at $2. They're usually $1 to $2, and it is $2 on Amazon. You could sell them used for 18 bucks. You make just about 10, so it's about an $8 profit, and they sell immediately. So if you find them for $1 at a tag sale or a yard sale, you could sell them on Amazon if you are ungated on Amazon and sell these almost immediately, make anywhere between $8 and $9 profit. And I probably ship one of these into Amazon every other week. And it's just a constant $8 to $10 profit every single time. So it's kind of nice. And it's nice when you find them. The only thing is you got to make sure it works. So let's turn it on, and oh man. This one's having issues. The screen is flashing black. I don't like that. And it's in pretty rough shape. Dang. I think I'm going to leave this one behind. Okay, so I take that all back. But these things are great to find. I always try and keep an eye out for them. Maybe we'll find another. So Ashley brought her car over. She found me next to mine. And she brought me this thing right here. It's kind of like a, I don't know, tapestry? What would you even call it? I don't even know. Scarf. And she was trying to see if I could figure out what is weird with it. Let's see if you guys can figure out what is weird with this right here. It took me a little bit. And I saw the suns, the moons, the, I don't know what these are. Capricorn, Aquarius, what are those called? Zodiac signs. And I don't like that they double stapled it in the middle and bunched it all up. But take a closer look. Do you guys see these NFL logos everywhere back here? And the football looks like a coffee bean. I don't even know what's going on with this. This is the weirdest thing ever. We're leaving it behind, obviously, but she had to show it to me. And I guess it could go right up here. Right there's a nice spot for it. Check out this awesome hat we just found. Blessed mom, grandma, great-grandma. Oh, that's a cop. But this is actually really nice. It's 100% merino wool. It's 15 bucks though. It has elbow patches. It's really nice, but I don't know. 15 bucks might be a little high. It is cool though. I think I'm gonna put it back. All right, I saw this cool jacket poking out. I saw the Tomcat right here, and then I saw Top Gun on the chest with Maverick. And yeah, this is a costume piece. It's not real leather or anything. It's an XL. I found the exact one. It took a lot of scrolling through a bunch, but here's one right here. A medium sold for $55 plus shipping. And there's a whole bunch that sell for different prices. Some real high, some real low. I think here's the same one again. This is a youth size, 45 plus 10 shipping. Not bad, but at 20, it's a lot. I think we'll leave it. All right, here's a really cool piece right here. It's an Apex Patriots size large for only 13 bucks. And not only on the front, it's got a big logo on the back, NFL on the arm. This thing is absolutely awesome. The one issue with it, the zipper's broken, but that could be replaced. I'm pretty sure it's not that hard. So I'm gonna double check, make sure it's actually worth it. It's really clean besides that, so we'll see. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys these DVDs before I end the video here and take a look at some of these profits. These are all the ones that are in my cart, almost all the ones that are in my cart right here. And you can see the low price showing for each one of these items and my total net proceeds. That's before the $1 to $2 that I paid for these DVDs, but still they all costed between $1 and $2. And some of these I will price a little bit higher than that low price. So there are some great profits here. You see some in the 20s, 30s, 40s. And then of course there's some where you only make $3, $4, $5. And hopefully on those I could price them a little bit higher. But even after my $1 to $2 buy cost, if I'm doubling my money, making $2, $3, $4, it's still not bad, especially on sealed DVDs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.